Hello, Dumela, welcome, Gyal Amuhela. In this channel, you're going to learn how to have conversations, learn grammar, phonics, and a little bit of reading. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Hello and welcome. Today's lessons is based on grammar, and we're going to be discussing pronouns. Firstly, we're going to do subject pronouns. Secondly, possessive pronouns and substantive pronouns. Right, so for the subject pronouns, we're going to have singular and plural form. So the English side and the Sesotho side. For the subject pronouns, I, when I refer to I, it is ki for singular, ki, ki. I, ki, thokozile. Ki, thokozile. I am thokozile. So with the different keys, it will differ with their sound and tone, because as you can see over here, we have he and she, which could be o or ki, so the tone is quite higher. All right, so let's go start from scratch. So I, in English, I, and in Sesotho, ki. It's more of a lower tone. And you, it is ooh, 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 as in like ooh la la. He or she, the pronoun for that is ooh or ki, ki. So when you're referring to he or she, ki with a higher pitched tone. And then the plural forms for these subject pronouns, when it is I, in English it's we, but in Sesotho, we is re. And you all is lona, and they, ba or ki, low tone, ki, low tone. And let's try and make short sentences using these subject pronouns. Okay, so I'm going to start on this side, on the right side, with the English side. I am Dylan. Ki Dylan. Ki Dylan. So whenever you're referring to yourself, for the subject pronoun, the ki, the ke, it's going to be on the lower side, the tone. Ki Dylan. But if you were going to say it is Dylan, you're going to say ki Dylan. So when you refer to someone else, the ki is high-pitched tone, but when you refer to yourself, isn't like I, it's going to be lower tone. Ki Dylan. And then secondly, you are Mosotho or Mosotho or Mosotho. He or she stays in New York. U Dula, New York. U Dula, New York. We are fine, which basically means literally we are living well. We are good health-wise. So we is re. Re phela hantle. Re phela hantle. You really need to roll that R when you pronounce the letter R. So it's going to be R, re phela hantle. It can be re or re, like rearrange, but you want to really sound that R. So instead of saying rearrange, you're going to say rearrange. So re phela hantle. They speak Sesotho. Ba bua Sesotho. Ba, it's they. They. Bua Sesotho. And when we're going to possessive pronouns, the syllables OA, again, it is pronounced as wa. So in English, my, in Sesotho, waka. waka. Your, wa hao. Your, wa hao. His or hers or her, wa haye, wa haye. And our, as in like belonging to us, our, wa runa, wa runa. Your or yours, wa luna, wa luna. Their, wa bona, wa bona. And let's cover these, some of these new words that we learned on this lesson. So we have doula, which is pronounced doula. Even though it is written lula, it is doula. So in this context, it means reside, which could be like where you are currently living, your home address in this context, like what we're talking about. So doula. But it could also mean doula sit. Doula sit. So like I said, it will depend on the context. And phila is live. Phila, live. Hantle can mean good, well, fine, or okay. Bua, which is pronounced boo, buwa. Bua means speak or talk. Bua, speak or talk. Rata means love. Rata, love. Bita means call or to summon someone. When you're like calling someone to come over, that is bita. Bita Dylan. Caller Dylan. Sorry, call Dylan. Bita Dylan. And the word tseba basically means know, like knowledge, know someone, know, spelled K-N-O, know, tseba. Okay, we have substantive pronouns, which also, here we have the singular form and the Sesotho, singular form and the plural form. Excuse me for that. So for I or me, na. I or me, na. But we or us, runa. We or us, runa. That's the plural form. And you, it's wena. You, wena. You all, lona. He, she, him, her, or it, yena. He, she, him, her, or it, yena. They or them, it's bona. So just make sure that you pronounce it properly. It is not bona, it is bona. It's they or them. But when you say bona, now that's a different word now. Bona means see. Bona means see. But bona means they or them. So you really need to be careful with how you sound these words. The tone is very important as well. So the words wena, which is U-E-N-A, it is pronounced with the W, wena, the ones highlighted in green, and yena, which is double E and A, it is pronounced with the Y, yena. So here are just examples using these substantive pronouns. So we're going to use wena and yena and bona. I like you or I love you would be ke rata wena. And they call him or her is yena. So the word would be, the sentence would be babita yena. You know them, them is bona. Utseba bona. So substantive pronouns are also often used for emphasis. For example, I have it here. So you can make it like this. Na ke refilwe. Me, I am refilwe. So the na ki, it is used as an emphasis. Na ke refilwe. I am refilwe. Wena umang. You, who are you? Lona, lidula kae? You all, where do you all live? Rona, rima America. We are Americans. So when you're starting with these substantive pronouns, they're actually putting emphasis on the sentence or on what you are saying. All right. So this is the end of today's lessons. Please do make sure to go over these lessons and do subscribe, comment. If you have any other questions, please send me those questions and I'll do all my best to answer them. Thank you again for watching.